Staying solid, always the mathematical stronghold, Mr. Dylan, holding all these mathematical building blocks in place with Dylan Ultimate Mathematics. Hey, today it's all about who you are at the core, who you gonna be. Hey, we got a little bit of multiplication. We're gonna be one decimal place numbers. So let's go ahead and get to it. We got our example of the day. We got 3.7 times 5.2. So let's get started with our first step of the day. So we got the first step right here. First step, we're gonna identify our base number. So our base number right now is going to be 2. Okay, so 2 is our base number. Circle that for y'all. So first thing we're gonna do is multiply above head. Now, when I say above head, that just means above head, right above. So multiply above head, and that's going to give us, when we do that, we got 7 times 2, which is going to give us a 14 now. All right, so we drop the 4, rise the 1. Drop 4, rise 1. Drop the 4, rise the 1. All right, so that's it for the first step. Now let's go ahead and get to it with the second step. We got the second step right now in place. Second step, same thing, base number is 2. So now that we have the second step, we're going to multiply diagonal, all right? So when we multiply at diagonal, we're going to multiply this way, and we still have to add that 1 on top, 2. So we got 2 times 3 plus 1, and that's going to give us a 7 now. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. Easy peasy. So we got 7 at the bottom. We go ahead and erase this 1 because we already used it. So let's go ahead and get to it. We got the third step. Go ahead and write that out. Third step of the day. Third step is add, oh, I wrote a P, but hey, add a 0 to second row under, we're gonna put multiplication line. So this is our multiplication line right here. All right, we're gonna put multiply line for short. Multiply line, add a 0, second row. That's the second row right there. All right, so now that we added our 0 for the second row, go ahead and zoom out a little bit so I have some room to go ahead and write. Zoom out some more. All right, bet. So now we got the third step. So now we can go ahead and slide down to the fourth step. Fourth step. Now, all right, we can erase this because our base number is about to change. All right, so fourth step, our base number is, y'all can go ahead and guess, it's going to be 5, all right? So our base number is 5, so we can go ahead and circle that. Now, fourth step we're gonna do is we multiply in diagonal, all right? Not above head, but diagonal. So when we multiply diagonal, that's gonna give us a 5 times 3, and that's gonna give us a 35, right? 35, man. We're gonna drop the 5, rise the 3. Drop 5, rise 3. So drop the 5, rise the 3 to the top right here. All right. Now let's go ahead and move to the fifth step of the day. We got the fifth step, same thing. Our base number stays the same, it's still 5. Now we're gonna multiply above head, man. And when we multiply above head, hey, above head is going to be 5 times 3 plus 3, which is going to give us 18. We got 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. Go ahead and write that second row, the whole thing. And now we can erase this, erase that. So now we got our little answer right now. And so sixth step of the day, sixth step is going to be add our values together. All right. So we're gonna hit it write our addition line with our addition. We're gonna add our values together. In pink, we got 4 plus 0. That's gonna give us a 4. We got 7 plus 5. That's gonna give us a 12. Put the 2 down. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is gonna give us a 9. And then we got 1 plus 0 is gonna give us a 1. So right now we got 1, 9, 2, and 4. Okay. And right now it's looking like our final answer, right? not such. It's not our final answer such. Now for the last step of the day, the seventh step, what we're gonna do is we gotta place our decimal in our number. And we have two decimals right here. Above we got one, two, so it's gonna be two decimal places. So place decimal and final answer. Two decimal places. So we got two decimal places. Our decimal starts right here. Jump over one, two. So our decimal ends up right here. One, two. So doing this, bring that down. That's gonna give us a final answer of 19.24 for our final answer. I had to highlight that in. Gotta make it shine like gold. You know we all gold. Shine like gold. Final answer is 19.24 for our multiplication with one decimal place numbers. Hey, appreciate y'all for tuning in with me. Peace and blessings go out to everybody viewing the video. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for y'all views. Hey, and before y'all go, we got character, man. Character. It's the decisions and choices you make when it's just you and nobody else is there. It's how you treat it's all about how you act and who you truly are at the core of your existence, all right? It's your character. Your character says everything about you, regardless if you're by yourself or regardless if you're by somebody else. It's just about you and your choices and your decisions and how you act and how you move. All right? It's in your existence. It's who you are. Who you are for real, for real. So who you gonna be? Character. Hey, but that's all I got for y'all, man. Y'all be good. Catch me later. I already know. Mr. Dylan. Peace.